the middle of a snowstorm. Woo-hoo! Hey guys, welcome to Mark's TV. Today I have a very interesting idea. We actually got a little bit of snow flurries right now, but my idea is I'm gonna go to the store, try to find some good, nice winter baits. I'm gonna drive an hour to a lake that I have been to, I've never fished before. Very large lake, I'll get the size for you later. And I'm gonna take out my kayak, which isn't a very big kayak, and we're gonna see if we can't go find some bass on a massive lake. I did find some contour maps. I have a few points I kind of want to try. I checked the wind. Like 9 miles an hour. There is a protected side of this major cove that I want to fish, and so hopefully the waves aren't too bad when we get there and I'm not even able to fish, because that would suck. But so we kind of got a plan, but we're gonna head to the store, go pick up some baits.
Spread looks a little sketchy, so we're gonna take it nice and slow here, nice and safe. But yeah, great day for some fishing. All right guys, made it to the lake, so I'm gonna get everything unloaded, get everything ready, get myself ready, and then I'll probably get you guys started once I'm on the kayak. I do have some problems. As one today, I was gonna try bringing my iPad with the contour map because I don't have it on my phone. So that's gonna be a slight issue with the snow coming down, so I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do about that. However, I am actually looking pretty excited. We do have quite a bit of structure along here. I'm not sure how deep it is off these points, but I actually feel like, hey, I am fishing a giant lake, but I do think I picked a decent spot, because I also see a couple points out there, see a lot of birds, and see some trees in the water. So that will be beneficial to me, so I'm not trying to fish too much. The waves aren't too bad out here. But yeah, like I said, it is snowing more than it should be, than it was predicted. I did see there was one other boat, they just came back in, but yeah, we're gonna head out and see if we can't catch something. All right, we made it. We're on the freaking lake. It is a tad cold, and my kayak feels extremely small. All right, now I gotta get one of these tied on. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? I'd say we're gonna go with the crankbait to start. All right, we're gonna start fishing this point, see if we can't find one. Really? Well, there went $8. All right, well that went so well I decided to do something even dumber. Tie on a $10 bait. All right, got the old Scout. Last time I did this, I lost that when I got one, so holy cow, I'm getting blown out here. So I'll get my gloves back on and we're gonna get headed back over there, because right now I'm in like 30 or 40 foot of water, I think.
Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. We did it. Holy crap. Okay, so now I got a predicament here. Oh my gosh, boys. Look at that fish! We freaking did it! Oh, I'm so excited. It's been an hour of nothing, and then I thought I got a snag. Oh my gosh. Dude. Ah. Okay. All right. That is a fish, guys. Let me get my... Oh, that hurt. Oh, sorry, little guy. I really need to get a better one of these. You're not gonna like this. Four pounds, 12 ounces. New PB. Oh my gosh, in the middle of a freaking snowstorm. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is why I came out here. 4 pounds, 10 ounces in the middle of a snowstorm. Woohoo! All right, we're gonna get him back in the water, guys, before he gets, oh my gosh. We did it! We freaking did it! Oh my gosh! I did not think that was gonna happen, ever. 4 pounds, 10 ounces on a brand new lake in the middle of a freaking snowstorm, freezing my butt off out here. All right, guys. All right, we're gonna obviously try for some more. We got freaking, oh my gosh. And we got that on camera. So freaking pumped. All right. I don't even know what it was on, like where that was. There's a little ledge here. All I know is I just freaking marked that spot when we got him. It's back over here a little bit. All right, well, I gotta fix that too now. These are frozen again. Come on. But also, I forgot, I had to bend the freaking hook, I think, to get it out of my pants. So I may have ruined that hook, so I'll have to get a new one, but obviously right now I'm gonna roll with what I got. Fix this freaking hook real quick. Oh no, I can't fix it. Dude, I ripped one of those off. Where the frick did it go? Whew, that was bad. Oh, awesome. Ooh, this is not good. This one might be a restart. Holy crap, I screwed that up. I don't even care though. With that fish we just caught, who cares? Oh, I'm so happy. Except for now, I'm going to drive an hour out here more often. Come on, what's going on here? First ever jerkbait fish is massive, guys, massive. So looks like the camera might die soon, but I wanted to keep fishing this spot, but I might have to go back in to fix this because this is, holy cow, this is bad. So yeah, so am I going in? We might go try a different spot too, because like I said, I'm literally kind of in an open area. Well, I don't really know. I'm not really sure exactly where I caught it. There was kind of a flat point here, where I think it's like 10 foot on the point, and then it drops to about 20 around. So it could be a nice spot. There's probably something that he was on, a tree or something, but I can't see any of that crap. But hopefully I'll get a fish finder here soon and be able to come back here, and I'm going to scan this area to see if I can't find where he might have been or what he might have been on, even if he's not here, just to try to do some investigating, try to learn something new. That's all this is me learning how to do all this stuff. So give me something to do. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. Almost, at first it was reading like 4 pounds 14 ounces on the scale, but it slowly went down to 410, which is fine. But at first there I was like, oh my gosh, almost a 5-pounder. I mean, still almost 5-pounder. That's still nice fish. So gosh, I don't think I've caught a 4 yet, so that's a good strong 4-pounder. I think I've had my previous PB was 315. So cannot complain. Get this figured out. I might have to cut it all off. Hopefully I still have enough line, and then we might go try down by the bridge if I can find a nice spot. I still want to fish here, but I just can't with this like this. So yeah, that's just gonna be game over. So I'm gonna have to go fix this. I did mark where I caught that fish, so we'll see. But I'm gonna go head back to the car. And yeah, so let's head back to the car. We'll get my rod fixed, maybe put on some new line, just depends. But yeah, let's get after it. All right, guys, got everything loaded back onto the car. That was a great experience. 4 pounds 12 ounces is actually what I originally said. I was just looking back at the video watching me do that catch again, because man, that was amazing. It is still snowing pretty good. The flakes are rather small now, but we still got time. It's only 3 o'clock now, so I think we are gonna go head up to the bridge and probably just do some bank fishing from there, because on the side of the lake that I'm on, where this bridge is, that's where the channel, or the creek channel was. It was on that side. So I get right there and fish off that ledge there. Who knows, maybe we might find a 5-pounder. So we're gonna go over there, see if we can't catch some more fish. But either way, well worth the trip. Great day. Let's see if we can't get some more. Enjoy the rest of the video. Got one, guys. Oh my gosh. What even is that? Is that a walleye? Oh my gosh, guys, we got a massive walleye right now. I don't even know how to land this. All right. Where am I not gonna fall? Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't even know what I'm gonna do here. All right. I'm gonna try to get down without eating it. Also without breaking them off. Holy cow, guys. I'm not trying to record it here. All right, this is where I'm gonna fall. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I had to put him freaking away. He's massive, guys. All right. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oh my gosh. Guys, massive freaking walleye. I can't. Well, we can do this the other way too. Oh my gosh, my hand is not big enough to freaking grab this guy. Oh my gosh. my gosh, guys. I'm not really sure if it's a walleye or not. Hopefully that made that better. But look at this fish, guys. Oh my gosh. That is definitely my best walleye, saugeye, whatever it is that I've ever caught. So let's get the pliers out. I might even try to weigh him, I'm not sure. Oh man. All right, I gotta get this. We're good. All right. I really hope you guys can see this fish. Holy cow. All right. He's not gonna like this. That's for sure. Come on. Oh. 6 pounds, 13 ounces. Oh my gosh, guys. What a day. All right. We'll go get him back in the water. Oh my gosh. 6 pounds. Oh, the camera's dirty. 13 ounces. You guys. There he goes. Another PB out here, guys. Beneath the bridge. Got nice and deep on the old jerkbait. Today is a great day in the middle of this snowstorm. Oh my goodness, guys. So hyped. I'm going to try for some more. Why not? That was a nice fish. Oh my gosh. Let's get back after it. I'm starting to like these jerkbaits. All right, guys, headed back to the car. We did catch that nice walleye or whatever it was. So that was nice. Gonna head back to the car, maybe look at the iPad a little bit more, have a snack, see if there aren't any other spots to try that might be some high probability areas. But overall, today, going good. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna call it quits here. I'm gonna get home before it gets dark because I got some nice snowy roads to drive. But what a beautiful day out at the lake. What an amazing couple of catches. 2 fish in like 3 hours. So, you know, not a great day in that sense, but it was well worth it for just those 2 fish. 2 beautiful fish, enjoying the beautiful snow, enjoying the peace and quiet of being the only one probably on this entire lake. And so, yeah, so thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you stay tuned for the next one that comes out, and hopefully it's even better. But thanks for watching. Have a great day.